Imagine the fulfillment of running your own home care or home health care business. An endeavor that not only makes a difference but is also financially rewarding. Well, the time to turn that vision into reality is now. Welcome to the business of senior care, where we redefine the journey of starting and growing your home care business. We're not just consultants, we're your dedicated partners, providing the expertise you need to succeed. We've learned exactly what it takes for a home care company to get licensed and dominate surveys and regulations. From securing licensure and accreditation to developing effective policies and procedures, we're with you at every turn. What sets us apart? We stand by the quality of our service with a guaranteed satisfaction or money-back guarantee. Join a community of success stories. Our clients not only start strong with guaranteed licensure but continue to thrive with our ongoing compliance support. Your success journey is uniquely yours, and we're here to make it extraordinary. Ready to take the leap into the rewarding world of home care entrepreneurship? Connect with the business of senior care. Schedule a call with us today, and let's start shaping your success story together.